Alright, so today we have the ISR single GT for this G37 sedan. This is actually a coworker's. His name is Abu. He's also getting a Y pipe, so it's already on the lift. Let's get her up, get this stock exhaust out of here, and put some shiny parts on it. Okay, so the tools that you should need, if there's any aftermarket hardware, like if say that you have high flow cats on your car, ISR's hardware is 15s and 16s. So you put your little 16 right here. Get a 15 on the back. Make sure to tighten it. So there's 4 bolts on the Y pipe on the front side, 2 bolts on the back, and 2 other connectors on the back right before the muffler. So now I'm gonna grab my 14. This is gonna fall. Back over to here. Next we'll grab these 2. I like to leave this center brace on, because if you're doing this by yourself and you take this brace off and then you undo these, this is gonna wanna like fall forward. So I leave this brace on for now, and then I'll loosen these up and pop those out, and then this will come out. And then these slide out easily, like that. And then you grab a hanger removal tool. This is, like, in my opinion, one of the most convenient tools that like nobody has. So normally to get hangers off, it's a whole ass process. You slip, you hit your hand. With this thing, it does the work. It just pulls the hanger and pushes it right out of the bushing. We'll come over to here, same thing. This will drop the back side of the muffler. So that goes like that, and just give that a good slide back. Comes out of that one. And voila, you have a open cat car. Get this guy opened up. Grab a couple gaskets. Those 2 go on the front. That one goes in the back of the Y pipe. And this is a new thing that I'm doing. Loctite. Some of these bolts have been coming loose on a few people's cars, so I'm just gonna Loctite them. I'll probably get hate that we're using red Loctite on this, but I don't want it to come off. Pop these guys through here. Gaskets on. Like so. Grab the Y pipe. Like so. And I like to leave everything loose before I have the rest of the exhaust on, just so that when you are tightening it up, everything fits in its happy spot. Like you're not binding anything on anything for that matter. So we'll get it like finger tight. Throw the Y pipe on. Oh, that was a little much.
Those definitely aren't coming off.
Yeah. I'll just take something like this. Beautiful. And then when installing an exhaust, always look, like if it has hangers on it, it's really easy to figure out if this goes that way or this goes this way. So you come under here, there's a hanger. I see it. It's right there. So that means that goes right there. Let's put this in first. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. There it goes. Right in the hanger. Come down here. Slide it in the bolt holes. Like so. We've done this before. Wow. Shane, I think one of these days we need to switch positions.
Have me install one of these?
Roll swap, if you will. So you're gonna do the exhaust and I'm gonna film it.
I could totally do that.
We'll get this guy on. Take the little 12 out. Cool. That one's tight. This one's on. Center exit, single exit isn't hitting anything. So now basically what I'll do is line up these flanges on here. Tighten them down right there. Like so. And then hit them with wrenches after. Tight. Okay, and she's done. Let's start it up. Oh yeah. Alright, the car is warmed up. We're gonna go do a couple just mellow drive-bys. We don't need to do no 100-mile-an-hour drive-bys. We're just gonna cruise by, get a little sound clip for it, and then that's it. Alright, so that's how you install a ISR Y pipe, ISR single, and on a G37, and how it sounds.